Bitrix24. Just come, you can able to see the left side CRM. Okay. Let's click this CRM option. And once you click the CRM, you will be landing in a CRM page.
Okay.
So whatever you see, no, you will be landing in the CRM page. So whatever you see, this columns, okay, this columns called stages. This column is stages. Okay, and these stages can be also editable. Okay, and if you see in the top, there is a lead. So in default, you will be landing in the lead, and just click create. And then in create, you can able to see the left side and the right side. Okay, the left side will always have consist of the client's information, also known as a requirement gathering. So whatever you want to collect data from your client, you can just collect your data from your client and you can insert. For example, no
Yes, sir.
Ravi. Once you get a information from your client, just put an entry. For example, let's take a lead name, and then you just put what is the project value, and then just enter your your client name. Yeah, let's take Ravi and click enter, and you'll be expanded. Just click your phone numbers and then put an email ID. Okay, and then address, and then after the address, you can also add the company name if you want. So first is a contact person name, and the second one is a company name. Okay, and then add all the details and click save. So whatever things you want to get information from your client, just get it and save it. So this is how the once you have saved the your client details, this is how it will look like. So see, now I created a lead. It's landed in the first stage called new lead. Now,
Okay.
now you can just drag and drop to the next stage. Whatever stage you want, just drag and drop. So this is how you can move a lead from one stage to another stage. And in the you can also move stages inside the lead also. If you see in the top, just you can just click the interview. I'm just going to move this lead to interview stage. I'm just going to move this stage to WhatsApp leads. So you can also do it in the inside lead. Now coming to the right side, there is an option called comment. Click this comment or activity comment. Activity is nothing but just you can keep a reminder for yourself. Whatever reminder you want to keep for this client, any reminder. For example, this client is going to have a meeting tomorrow or day after tomorrow. No, just you have to put enter. Just enter like no, I have a meeting tomorrow with the client. No, and then just put the time, which time you want to get a reminder and select it. And also you can keep 30 minutes before, just remind me, or 1 hour before remind me, or 2 hours before remind me, and say you'll get a reminder that in Bitrix24 you'll get a reminder that you have a meeting in within an hour with the Ravi. So this kind of a notification you will get it in Bitrix24. This then the second option is we have comment. Comment is nothing but where anything you want to add about this client. I spoken with this client and he's very willing and he's not willing, and he have some this kind of requirement. He has no he has to send this kind of a package to this country. So anything you do, have just discuss this history of a kind. Anything you discuss with the client, you just put an entry here, and then inside this Ravi lead, just open it. Left side, you'll able to see all the information about the Ravi lead. The right side, all the activities, all the comments, all the tasks will be here. Now coming to the WhatsApp and SMS is not been integrated yet, but once it is integrated, even the WhatsApp communication, SMS communication also will be coming inside the lead. So now coming to the next thing is the view, how this view will look like. This is called Kanban view. We also have another view called list view. List view is nothing but it will look like an Excel sheet. Just click and you can able to see it in Excel sheet. If you don't want to see it in the that kind of a stage wise, you can also see it in Excel wise. That is called list view. It will be near to the Kanban view. So this is the a short introduction about the leads. If you, for example, your client is asking sugar, he's asking like sugar, kind of um one, like he's asking 100 kg, 1000 kg, 10,000 kg sugar to should be transported to America. Okay, and that is his requirement, and just you're putting this sugar is your product, and 10,000 kg is the requirement of delivery. Now you have just put the mention the cost wise. So it will for to deliver 10,000 sugar to America, it will cost him around like take no 1 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh. Okay, and then you can also mention if you want to include tax or not. You can also mention those things here. If it is, let's take it's a 18% GST you are going to charge, you can also add the 18% GST. And then once it is done, you can just go here and you can just click create a code. And a code will be automatically will be created with the client name, with the phone number, with the address, with the GST number, with the bank details, with the HSN code, everything, or the GPay QR code, everything will be attached. Your company logo will be attached. Everything will be created. And once this is created, you see, if you see in the no right side, there is email option. In the email, there is an option called send. Click send. Automatically, it will be sent in email to the client. Automatically, it will send in this code to email to the client. So now the client want to proceed further with the no actual project. Now you just drag and drop to this section. Just drag and then drop to no down. Move to deal. Once you do, it will directly will be transferring to deal. Same procedure, drag and drop, however, whatever stages you want, same procedure, collect the payment and no, give the invoice, everything you can do it here.
Please like and subscribe this channel to get more videos about the upcoming business-changing softwares in the market that can boost and increase your revenue and productivity faster.